All right, guys, this is not staged. I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna find the tabs loose. Look at that, guys. 1, 2. Let's see if we can find them. All right. Oh, right here. Look at that. In this video, we're gonna be going from this to this. So Science of Speed offers this kit, and these are like metal. They're like aluminum, and they're definitely light and they look nice. And this should literally never come off because they actually screw on there, which is a big difference from the other ones. Like this. This one just comes right off. We're gonna switch it out. All right. The one that's holding on. All right, that one didn't want to come off, so we're just gonna pop that one off, and we're gonna put on a new one. All right, so you have a few more in there, and then you have one right there. And the kit comes with all of them to replace them. And the cool thing is if you keep the box, you could put the old ones where the new ones went, which is pretty cool. All right, guys, thank you for watching this short video. Small stuff like this makes me excited because it's easy and it makes things better. If you want to buy a set, you can buy it from Science of Speed on their website. Good product. All right, guys, thank you for watching.